Welcome to Lagos, the city that never sleeps. But behind the hustle and bustle and the traffic of Lagos, there is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. This is Lekki Conservation Center, but let's see how wild Lekki can get. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hidden in the middle of a bustling Lagos is a hidden jungle that not everybody knows where it is. It is a wild urban jungle that is filled with monkeys, the oldest tortoise in Africa. But before we can gain access to this beautiful, beautiful jungle, the first thing we have to do as tourists is to get our tickets from the reception. I just picked my tag and now we're going inside. So let's see what awaits us behind these buildings. So these are a group of other tourists that are here to explore this beautiful jungle. So come on in. We are currently heading to the longest canopy walk in Africa. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, sure. Hey. So guys, we just got to the meeting point that leads us to the canopy walk, the longest canopy walk in Africa. Oh my God, seeing this alone is mind-blowing. So sit tight, relax, and come with me. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. This is the point where I start taking a very big risk of my life. I'm about to climb the longest canopy walk in Africa. Taking my first step, guys. Yay! Woo! Yo, yo. So hi guys, we're currently at the decision making point. Here is the point where you decide to stay, go back or continue the adventure. But as for me, what doesn't kill me makes me stronger. I'm heading, I'm going to continue and I will not give up. Let's go.
有什么问题吗？这是我第一次来到拉各斯，这里的环境让我很喜欢，因为这里有非常我没见过的树木，还有很多有意思的人们。我喜欢这个城市 ，I like this city。
I am right here with one of the persons that makes this place happen. So hi, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Okay, so what point are we right now?
Okay, so first we are on the wish making tower, which is tower 4. So the wish making tower and the observation tower, they are even. That makes the flat bridge, which is the footbridge. Yeah, so this is the wish making tower. So when once you believe in nature and you get to this place, you can just actually make a wish.
Okay, so it is believed that whatever I wish for will definitely come to pass.
Of course, definitely.
Have you ever made a wish here before?
A lot of times, you know.
And it came to pass?
Exactly.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you know, nature is actually a total solution to humans' problems. So I just believe that if you believe in nature and you connect with nature, you can make your wish and it will come to be.
Okay, thank you so much for having us. Thank you. So guys, right now I'm going to make a wish and let me see if it will come to pass. Anyways, I believe in it, but let me make a wish. So guys, this is Lekki Conservation Center and it was founded in the year 1990. It is an urban jungle that is located in the middle of Lekki, Lagos State, Nigeria.
Okay, so I'm confident. This place now that we are now is Tower 5. We are almost at the end of the canopy because we have the bridge 6 here and 7. So here is our Kelson Tower. Why we actually call it Kelson Tower is because during construction, the engineer that designed and constructed this canopy walkway, his name is John Kelson. So while he was doing the construction, he loves this part of the forest. So when he finished the construction and he passed, we named this tower after him. So that's why it's called Kelson's Tower. The landmark is 78 hectares of the 78 hectares. Yeah. The total length of the canopy walkway is 401 meters, which covers like 50 meters per each of the towers. Then calculating, if 50 meters for each of the bridge, calculating the distance from each of the towers to the bridge gives you 401 meters long. That makes it the second longest in the world and first longest in Africa. The wild animals, we have crocodiles in the swamp, we have snakes like pythons, cobras, and a whole lot of snakes too. And we have antelopes, we have severe cats, we have white cats, and we have other animals. And one thing for sure I would like you guys to know is the animals we have in this reserve has been here even before the whole forest was conserved. So there's no animal coming like a visit. So everything was here. So they keep having their offsprings.
So guys, we made it and I am so excited. This is the last part of the canopy walk. And after this point, we are heading to the family park for fun games and amazing games that are in the family park. Okay, so guys, we're finally out of the canopy walk. We've actually passed through the forest and the jungle. So right now, from the point I'm standing right now, I can see the beautiful family park that has lovely games and a lot of activities that you and your family can come to this place to do. So let's see, let's explore, guys.
My name is Angelica. It's my first time in Lagos. It's my first time here. I love it so far. I love all the nature. I love the monkeys. We saw crocodiles. I was very excited about that. I think my only concern is all the trash. You know, they told everyone to put bottles aside and trash aside, and I literally saw someone throw something into the water just because. So I think we need to get this trash situation under control. But besides, this is a beautiful place, and I will recommend it for anyone in Nigeria to come and visit.
Hello, my name is Nicholas. I'm from America. The experience here, I'd recommend for everybody in Nigeria. It's an incredible reserve. It has lots of beautiful, beautiful trees and wildlife. There's an amazing bridge here. It is incredible for people who like heights. Not for me personally, but it's very nice to see the view of the city. So yeah, that's my experience.
So hi guys, this is the food court of the LCC, which is the Lekki Conservation Center. And this is just right after you've gone through the canopy walk. When you get to the family park, you have a place to get food, snacks, different varieties of food, ready from turkey, roasted plantain, which they call the boli, asun, which is the goat meat, and then a lot of drinks. So I'm holding a bottle of water that I just got from this place, one of the vendors here. They have coconut water, pineapple juice, and different freshly made juice right here in Lekki Conservation. So whenever you come to the park, do not forget to grab a bite or two from these people.
Hi, my name is Peter and I'm from Poland. That's my first time in Lagos and in LCC. It was a great experience for me because I never seen that long bridge as this one, never before.
Okay, so guys, we're still here in the family park and I'm currently heading towards a very giant chess game. So let's see how it is. So now we're heading towards the pond. Let's see the fishes that are inside the pond, most especially the koi fish. But let's go. There is a lot of fun activities you can actually do with your family and friends in this family park, ranging from family picnics, games, and different things, different outdoor activities that you can do with your family and loved ones here. Anyways, we've come to the end of this particular tour, and I hope you had fun while you stayed with us. So until next time, but please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!
Farm imagery!